Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Good morning. My name na Nedu Tombo Bolede here. All of us today here. Offer plus a favor. All of us today here. So I been get your message. Then send your message to me yesterday. I believe before yesterday. On top the matter. But I say okay. Make I just keep quiet. Make you tell us everything will happen from beginning.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Okay, that guy, I'm working with one woman that they used to say a restaurant. So the woman was paying me 10,000. So I said the woman that the mom that is paying me is wrong.
Madam, your phone dey speaker.
Yes.
Come out and for speaker so that we would hear you well. Because your voice dey muffled. You be like say them put foam inside just to squeeze and
Okay.
squeeze am.
Okay, sir.
Oh, yeah, talk to
So
us now.
I'm not saying my mother that the mother is paying me is not rich me for me to use and take care of my baby and myself.
Wait,
That I
wait,
want to go back to
bar break, hold on. Now, you get baby normally. You get baby. You don't marry.
Yes. Yes.
You don't marry, Abi.
The first the guy I married that used to beat me at the house, so the people now say I should carry the baby and go. I should
Okay.
not drop the baby for him.
Okay, you can't come out. Now,
Yes.
as you deal with your baby, you can't dey walk somewhere.
Yes.
You can't, because I dey try to understand your story so that it will make sense to me. Yeah, but you
I
can't.
was saying the woman.
Okay, you dey work with the woman, but the woman not dey pay you well.
Yes.
Continue.
So and I said that I want to go back to the village.
Okay.
The guy that I'm staying with at the house now say, how can I go back to the village?
The guy that you are staying with.
Now, yes. He now came to my shop that day.
Go on.
So she now came to my shop. I was complaining about myself that I want to go back to the village. How can I work that 1 month and I will not see the money that I'm working? That I want to go back there. She now said no. She gave some people that are in the house. Let me come and stay with him and gather money to use and collect my own house. And that's okay. I was saying that when I
Now
come to
they
your house,
hold on. Before you begin stay with the guy, where you been they stay?
I been stay for Liberty at the junction there with one woman that used to sell food. I was stay with the woman.
Okay. Now this guy, now where you meet this guy, we talk say he want help you.
She used to come to our shop and come and eat.
Okay. So when you went in, come find out say you want go village. Now he tell you say why you want go village, make you come live with them. I continue.
Yes, sir. You know, after she come and live with him, and that's okay. My mother, she wants to carry me go and drop at the park by myself, and I said no. That I will use my hand and go to the village. And I said no. They said she must carry me and go and drop to the park so that everybody will now know that I'm not under him, under her
Hi
again.
again, yes.
Anything happen to me.
Yes.
In case anything happen to me, and that's okay. Me and my mother was tracking that day. The guy now come that, okay, fine, let my mother carry me to go and drop at the park. So we will now arrange ourselves. She will now come to the park and come and take my bag that I will not carry to the village.
Okay.
So she will bring the bag to her house. Me, I will not carry the one that I want to carry it and go to the village. That is number time.
Okay.
And that's okay. So the guy now comes to the park, come and carry my bag.
Okay.
And go and drop for her house.
Okay.
So when I came back from village, I was staying with him. December, she did not do all this nonsense. I was staying with him.
You still go village? You still go village?
Yes, I travel go to the village because the father of the baby at my house, he sent money for me. I should bring the baby so that she will see.
Okay. Then
so
you continue.
I came back
with the baby. I be alone.
Yes, I came back with the baby. I can't drop my babies for the man.
Okay.
So I came back with the baby. So both of us, we are doing like brother and sister. She always depends on that I'm my sister. I'm very good to him that she was working someone that nobody can wash her clothes. Sometimes normally if I want to wash my clothes, I have to take her clothes and wash like my elder brother. I used to keep the house. I used to do many things before I will now go to work.
Okay.
But I was sleeping that day. She now said she liked my character. And
wait, the guy saying like your character?
Yes.
And how long you don't live for a house before he tell you saying like your character?
It's now this December where I pack my things, go there, where I go stay with them.
Okay, so now like between 2 months, let's just say, now he tell you saying like your character.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
okay.
So she now said she liked my character that she want to marry me. And I tell him that I can't marry now. I said, what I'm looking for now, I'm looking for someone for me to use and share my baby. I said, I don't even want someone to date me. I don't want to date. Let me just focus for my life. That the first marriage I married was problem. So I don't want to run into marriage again and go and get problem again. That's how I was told the guy.
Okay.
The guy asked, okay, I did not say anything, no problem. So one day I was sleeping. I wake up. I was sleeping. I just wear only tight and sleep.
Oh, you wear only pants. You know they wear they wear brand. Only pants they wear.
I wear tight.
Oh, tight.
Oh, tight.
Yes, and
Okay.
sleep. And one small clothes. I tie lapper. So
Okay.
she now came. That day, she now came back. I'm the one that stand up and open the door for him. She now, I was sleeping. She don't even say anything. What I know now, she now just come and grab me for where I was lying down. And I said, brother, what happened now? She now said, she was telling me that she wants to marry me. She said, I did not impress. I did not say anything that. As I don't want to say anything, say, he will use force and do whatever thing that she wants to do.
Okay.
And I'm saying, how can you use force and rape woman? That is not good. If woman don't like you, you will not go and force the woman to like you.
Yes.
You will not force me to do anything that I'm supposed to do.
Yes.
So she was dragging that night that she wants to sleep with me. And I at last, she now slept me in that house.
Wait, at last he left you.
Yes.
Okay, not only you can't sleep for house.
Yeah, and me and my baby. She locked me inside. Both of us was inside. She now locked me inside.
Okay.
So after rape me, she can happen. That's fine.
Wait. I dey come. He in comot for house. I be in lock. 3 of una dey inside the house. He sleep with you. That.
Now two of us. Yes, now two of us dey inside the house.
He una sleep with yourself that day.
So that means he sleep with you that day.
Which means he sleep with you that day.
Yes, he sleep with me that day.
Okay.
So this second one now, the nurse came again that she wants to stay with me. And I said, but what is all this one you are doing? You know what both of us was saying that?
The first time, hold on, my sister. The first time we in come back where you wear the tight and the small cloth, when he say making her sleep with you, he force you, Abi, you just agree, give him the talk.
So it's not my, he forced me.
He forced you?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
So and now they saw our compound. They saw the compound. So
after that first one, who you tell?
I tell one of my sister, one of the lady that is on the ground. I said one of the guy. I still pay this auntie too. The auntie that collect me for you people.
Okay, you tell her too.
Yes.
Oh yeah, continue.
So, the house, they are still our compound. That's okay. One room that is on the ground. Let me go.
Your phone they speaker.
Brother, your phone they speaker now.
Your phone they speaker.
Yes, I don't.
Come more time for speaker now. Continue.
Okay. The house that is our compound. So
Okay.
now okay, let me go and fix lights in that house there. Some people that now pack out so that I can pack my things and enter. There.
Okay, people pack out from one house, so you want to go fix lights for the other house to pack your things, enter there. Okay, that's for the same compound wall of una day.
Sir?
No, now for the same building wall of una day, Abi.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, continue.
So I was okay, I called people to come and fix lights for me. So one guy, and I know that guy. And I called the guy to come and help me and tie net in that house. I sweep the house and I wash the house. I'll do everything finished. Okay, and I went to and say, brother, thank you for what you did for me. You made me to stay with you from almost 3 months now. Thank you. Tell me I have to pack my things, go to the house that those people that left us. She now say, that is good now, no problem. I should pack my thing and I go. The next now, what I realized, she now came that she wants to lock the house. And I say, why do you want to lock the house? So that I want to pack my things there. This lady that produced this for people, she was staying with me. She was staying with me there. So the lady now telling him that, why do you want to lock the house? Before you want to lock the house, there is something you carry in your mind that you want to lock the house. She now said, no, she don't want me to go and stay there. So when she opened the house for me, said, that boy that helped me and tied that, she will come and be sleeping with me in that house. The girl now said, that kind of thing cannot happen. Let him go and open the door for me. She now said, no, she will not open it. She now went to go and buy new key. Okay, the lady now said, okay, before he's going, so she now use her hand and open the door for me. She now said, my neighbor, she don't look for her trouble. That when she look for her trouble, she will like it. She now go and buy another key and come and use it and lock the house. Today, he not open the house for me. So yesterday I was sleeping. Before yesterday, like that, this yesterday. I was sleeping.
Yes.
You know, so she was telling me that she wants to marry me. I did not. And I said, but I said, see, if I want to marry you, I will marry. If I want to date you, I will date you. You will not force me to do anything I don't supposed to do. I'm feeling myself in your house. I even also feel you. And you want me to date you. So I can't do that kind of thing. Now she now started dragging me in that night and walk house and did not put music, loud the music, so that everyone will not hear my voice that night. Okay. So she was doing that, so that nobody will hear my voice. So I was dragging myself. What I know now is to the one window that is iron there. She now pressed me there that I will not go in there and I can't open the door. And whatever thing I want to do, let me do it that she wants to see. Yes. I said, right now, and I said, if you still with me, that I will go and call police to come and arrest you. That's why she didn't want the police to arrest me. She didn't want the police to arrest. I said, okay, no problem. So both of us were dragging that night. He was dragging. Next man, the guy now fell me on the down and raped me. And she raped me and asked me, are you true? And I said, whatever thing that she wants to do, she will do. After that, I'm staying with her house. And I said, okay, but you know what you told me that I take to your house? You said you help me to, when I have money to collect my house. But see what is it for me that you don't ever be better with she. That's what I told you yesterday. She now say, I'm not a mom. I'm not the one that I give them. Whatever prayer that I pray, she will not follow me. And I said, okay, no problem. Let's not watch it and see. And I want to say that I want to go outside again. The guy said that I will not go outside. That until one is their own mind that she will not open the door for me to go outside. And I said that kind of thing will not happen. So both of them were dragging with the door. So I now use my hand. I want to push the door. Come out the hand of the door. The thing happening. I want to use that now and hit him that morning. Yeah. She now bend down. The thing did not hit him. I'm not saying that I want to go outside ground with you. She don't want me to go outside. So she was dirty. So my neighbor was knocking the door. The woman that produced this number for 8 people was knocking the door. I'm also calling him with the phone. She don't want to pick the call. Yeah. She was knocking the door. She don't want to pick. And she was knocking the door. She don't want to open the door. So the lady now comes. She asked this me. I say yes, no problem. So the first time she want me to park inside that house, she don't want me to park. That when it's like she needs problem that they will give him the problem. Yes, now, after I stayed there, I tell him that I want to, let him allow me to go outside again, she don't allow me. So when two of us now fight, the guy now used a hand, slap me, my mouth there is blue. He now used the hand and slap me for my face. My blood was coming out inside my mouth. I just put my hand inside my mouth and used the blood and rubbing on my face. That was yesterday. She now said, okay, no problem. Whether am I the one that used the blood and rubbing? And I said, yes.
Where you they stay now? Where you they stay now?
I'm still staying with him now.
After the fight, won a fight yesterday.
Yes. So she now come and open the door for me. Nothing that she go and call carpenter. She come and knock. She come and fix the door. And I think that I will never in my life go and call carpenter to come and fix the door. Whatever that you want to do, let him do it. So I will not do it.
So
nothing that she go and call carpenter. And they slap me.
Okay. This your friend will report to us where she should stay.
Huh?
This your friend, where she should stay. This your other friend, where should they stay?
She stay with our compound.
She stay.
She's the one that knocking the door yesterday night. I'm also declining her in. You don't want to pick the call.
Now, this your friend. You say your friend say that other room wanna open for the compound. Say now you and your friend be entered there. Now, she not there. She they stay. That your now still did that place, Abi.
Yeah, she did there.
No, the girl, the lady, she still did the other side, the empty house, Abi.
Yes.
Then why you not carry your things, go back to that empty house? You still go back to the
guy did not allow me to carry my things. She locked the house.
Okay. Now, what do you want me to do now? What do you want me to do? Tell us what you want me to do.
So I want people to come so that she will open the door for me to stay.
Open his own house for you to stay.
No, the other room.
Oh wait, his own house. I be the other room.
No, it's the other room that I fix light on my hand. That I use my money and fix light and sweep that place.
Okay, now that one now you want go stay now, not be in own house.
Yes.
Okay, now be only what thing you want.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so this room where you want go open like this now, You rent the room.
You rent the. She not rent the room.
No, she not rent.
No, sir. They are put the compound. So some people they are parking out there. So that's okay. They gave us 6 months for the compound.
Okay.
And now the month now remain 3 months. You know, I stay there. But maybe by then I have another place that
by then you go don't get. Make we call the guy now. The supposedly good Samaritan. We come turn to bad Samaritan. On top of this matter.
If you don't want to do good, no kukuma do good.
No kukuma do good. If you know say your own good, get a comma inside. Then from the beginning, talk am.
Just talk am straight up.
Say, see what make me want help you. Now so that you go give me talk you.
You agree?
You agree or not? If you not agree, now me get my house. Simple. But these days, people are.
The number you dialed is switched.
Now the lady where he reports the question, she can't talk, send message say Oganedu. Say not be how the thing take happen. 90s girl they talk. Now, if person will get story, talk something. Who are you to say not be so? But anyway, make we call you. You will sabi the story. Tell us waiting how the matter take go. Hello, my sister.
Good morning.
Good morning. You said not be waiting the happen and she the talk, Abi.
Not really 100%.
Oh yeah, waiting your own side talk and make because I not go like give you from everything where she don't talk like this. I don't want talk within in my mind, but talk make we hear from your side.
I'm not saying she's lying. What I'm saying is she's not really going direct.
Okay, waiting the direct. You go the direct, make I see.
So.
You go. So but waiting she talk we not correct.
The room where she talk about,
Yes.
That room, like she said, talk. That's our compound. They don't sell them.
Okay.
Everybody they promote.
Okay, then give everybody like
So
6 months.
Yes, everybody is leaving that compound. So we have just between now to June ending for us to all vacate.
Okay, even this good Samaritan get the same. Okay.
Now this way she talk about now. Now you will say. They get something one particular family we can come out for one particular room. Now the people waiting for this room we should talk about now in between. They can't come out from their own room, can't go for I think their room is a bigger one or something like that. So that place, their own room can't be vacant. So now that people now the girl can't go meet to beg them. When the first one fair, the first and second issue first happen.
Yes.
Next can't go meet them, beg them, explain to them what they should go through for that man. And they can't pity them, can't open that place for them.
Okay.
That room, not be my own room. Not be my own room.
Okay.
That's my own room. And the answer why, because me, let's say with the whole thing, this say I get in the position to like take her in. Me, if you just do like this girl sleep outside, she sleep outside because of the fear of going back to that man's room. Let me go wake her. I just come outside, come receive breeze. I can't stand up picking for outside. For balcony.
Yes.
And because like that balcony so that is the breeze was too much. You don't tell you what we're for. I don't know, make she enter waiting the corner, make she enter because I'm going down here. Make she come waiting the corner passage.
Yes.
The passage is better than that balcony where she stay.
Hope say never pass your bus stop.
So I'm just going down.
Oh yeah, would they hear you?
So I can talk now. As like I was saying, as I follow you talk now. My guy nowhere. So when they stay with me for now, when they from my place, they go hospital. Okay. That's why I don't feel bring the care inside my own room.
Okay.
And she can't bring back pikin. And the pikin a small baby. The baby they piece of body. And for even say she bring that the pikin come my own that yesterday. Like as in, it's not like so now I don't put myself for the girl's shoe. Okay. So that room, that very day where the girl one pack. That's why this man say life over in dead body. Say the girl no fit pack enter that room. Say she no say she dey see that she don't arrive, Abi. She go in back. Go tell people make they open that room for them. Like say she dey if the girl don't come up for your room, make him take money, go rent room, pass out compound. So I don't tell you this man say, so there is something in your mind you make you no want make this girl go enter. I say no. He say make I no worry, make I no put mouth, I don't go understand. I know say this girl don't go tell many different people bad things about him. Now I say, are you a bad person?
Yes.
So this is a public compound. Nobody feel like you. No matter how good you say, first you go talk bad thing about you, go they fear. if you feel a person to talk bad about it, you're a bad person.
Yes.
If you make cannot pull out too much, I'm not going to understand. See you today. I was even like, okay, make the girl just calm down for 2 days. I will put the man talk. Make see whether I'm going to open the door. This is the way they arrive at 10 and she dey go work as early as 5 o'clock because she dey work as a cleaner. She dey resume 6 o'clock. I'm even happy people are able to get her today. So at the time, I just come out for her like 1 hour ago. And this man, in the Okada work, I know they can't work when they do, so they do like 2 work at the time. So this as this I come out, he don't come back this morning. Call is a different key because the first key where they use to lock their door, I guess spare. So because it's a different key, lock that room now, lock that the old room. So I just get the close by 3 o'clock. So she close, come back house, start picking now, they go there outside.
But my question, see, I hope say she did hear me. I go see ask her this question. My question na say, if you dey Lagos dey suffer like this, your parents dey go back to your village. Na by force to dey Lagos.
As it is now, I beg before going past, be careful.
Okay.
Like I should take talk. Now, at least the man should at least open that option at least 3 months.
But not be the man get the house. Now he get the house.
Not being get house.
Hey, so which one na come dey talk say the man? My sister, which one come be say?
You know, say that compound now. Nothing like landlord again. Nobody pay house rent. Anybody does they like.
So wait, now only 3 of una dey the compound.
No, they probably compound. This the first time when this matter comes to you, people not even pull mouth. Some bad people they yesterday in the morning. If you start these people, some of them they make outside the room. Everybody just what I said they here. Even during the day when they carry swollen face, swollen mouth, they were up and nobody even feel do anything. They go talk for their way, they go pass, they go talk for our mouth, for our back. Nobody wants to do anything. That's just about stuff. I'm not even asking them to do anything, Sha. But at least the man they feel like say, I don't understand. Seriously.
It's okay. It's okay.
We don't just make that lady just come up for that room for now. Even though she won't go back to the village, let at least get her.
We don't try call the guy. We don't try call the guy. The guy no pick.
I say they listen.
He not pick. Whether in the list or you know the listen, I don't know.
If you say they hear and I think they listen to us every morning.
Now be saying the. I beg. Waiting. Now waiting be the compound because if he not pick, now be say we go send person go that compound. Waiting be the address of the place.
Number 1, Muftal Street, Lupeju.
Number 1.
Muftal Street.
Muftal Street for Lupeju.
Yes, Muftal. Yes.
Muftal Street for Lupeju. Okay. Now, how many people did the compound for that Muftal Street for Lupeju?
When I just first entered there last year, the last time I entered, I wasn't surprised when I just came back from December 12. They said they don't sell the compound. I just maybe one talk. That last year, I think the agent that brought me there was like up to 24 rooms or thereabout. But now, no sure we run the commerce so much, I can't really say.
Okay. All right, no problem. Thank you very much, my dear. We'll go try call the guy back. If he pick, fine. If not, then we'll go back on the to the lady. See how we go take settle this matter. Thank you very much. Now, if you dey stay for this area, number 1 Muftal Street for Lupeju. Now him be the address of the place. So that the one way I talk something for inside studio. I say either say this lady not they talk this story well, or say she just be backyard. She be bunkon on top of the matter. But another angle that the only thing way this new lady mentioned now, we touch me like the matter of say small pikin you carry and sleep for outside. And why she carry the pikin sleep for outside? Now because of say they run from this onuku of a man.
Koto. Where one day by force they collect.
You know, marry girl, you want they collect. Yes, the girl get her own fault of living with a man where you don't know. Of course, she get her own fault, but it not give you right to use by force. But if you touch girl no want, you go respect yourself now. You go respect yourself.
And now make the girl carry her load. Don't want to leave your house.
You don't come they turn them to another thing.
Come go the house where don't belong to you.
I beg, this guy, what him be his name?
His name I don't know a guy named Yararua. I don't even know the
name. Wait, my sister. Did they do this thing to you? How you could live with person for 3 months? You don't know his name.
You don't know his name. You don't know his name.
But you know the reason for you are calling him Yararua. That is a guy.
Yaradua.
Yes.
Yaradua. Hey.
Yes.
One can
So if anything happen, I don't know if it trace you and
So
this guy.
if anything happen now, they not fit trace the guy. Because you don't know his real name.
No, sir.
So what you they call him for house? Na Yaradua.
Now you are now they call.
Hey. Yaradua, where that?
Oh.
This lady.
Hey, everybody, if you want to call, I mean, everybody knows.
But do they live with her closely now?
My sister, you see, if they leave me, I go flog you 24 lashes. Yeah, piagi,
Piagi go.
They wait because you self, you not try, you not do well. Now by force to live for Lagos, I hear now say you sleep with your pikin for outside yesterday night. Is not true?
Yes, sir.
Why? Why you dey suffer your pikin? Why you dey? Nothing concern your pikin for this thing. So the pikin papa, if the pikin papa knows say you dey suffer your pikin like this, you think say him go like am? All because of say you one day Lagos. Yeah? You self when kind of waka go dey live with man where you know say you not gonna give the man talking. Why you go live with man when not be your husband? Man not be your husband. You carry waka go dey live with him, and you expect say one day he not go say name tempole. Don't do that now. You self you see him, he not pure now. Now he don't come. Okay, now make I ask you for all the time where in they stay with where you they stay with him, he don't bring any girl come house.
She has girls, so one of the girls used to come to her house.
He get girlfriend.
The past night.
The guy they sleep. The guy they sleep over.
No, but that the girl, he saying the friend the girl again, but that 2 weeks ago, the girl come house. Come sleep with us there, go.
My sister, give one,
Sleep over.
Anyway, you know what thing go happen? We don't call him in, no answer. What thing we go do? You they live for number 1 Mufta Street for Ilupeju Abi.
Yes, sir.
We go call the guy phone number on air until him. We go if in once he come back today. If he not open that door tomorrow morning, we go call look for him. We don't know the address. We go
Okay,
call.
sir.
He has a wife and 2 kids, a boy and a girl.
Wait, the man don't marry.
He don't marry.
My sister. Hey,
where his wife and children there?
this girl.
He must not live with him again. He don't live him.
So the man don't marry and he get 2 kids, a boy and a girl.
Yes, sir.
The boy and the girl they sleep for the house.
No, the woman don't carry the pikin.
Go you self.
Another kind of money they stay with.
One can
Yeah.
Aye.
Anyway, now to just carry your load now.
My sister, the best thing, I don't want to make you sleep for that place today. You did hear me?
Yes, sir.
No, if you sleep there again today, now you do yourself. I did be I know say now so this matter go reach. I for not even check eye for this your matter because this matter then go flog the boy too because 2 of them are not try. In fact, now you even start this matter, now you cause him. Because if you know, I did be you carry your matter, your bag through go village, go open shop for village there. They make money for village. This can't thing for not happen. The guy for not see you if you know they live with spirit, Yaradua. Because the spirit they live with Yaradua and one now, it don't die. Yeah, see when now you cause this thing. So I beg from this night alone, Biko, not live for that house. We don't call him, he not pick because we know say him they hear us. Yaradua, we know say they hear us. We go call him phone number again. If he not pick, we go announce in phone on air. Make the whole Lagos and the whole world begin call him. Since he no one hear word. Then if he not open that place for you this night, we go come look for him tomorrow morning. Wow. You hear me?
Yes, sir. But when I come back to the world, when you come back for what, should I tell him to go and open the door?
Tell him to go and open the door for you. Tell him that Nedu of Tombo, the whole Wazobia FM, everybody say you should go and open that door. That the whole Lagos, Nigeria, say you should go and open the door. And except say he don't want to make we start rape case on top him. If we want, we go carry rape case, put on top in head. And when you put rape case on top in head, now quickly you go sleep.
He go jail.
Make it go ask how many people we don't put for there. We not the look. What you do? You dey hear me now?
Yes, sir.
So if you sleep there this night, you on your now you do yourself. Oh.
No, sir, I will not sleep there.
This na my line. Make you send me WhatsApp message or send me text. In an even the corner, you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Ngwa, bye bye. Kiss your pikin for us. Whoa.
Thank you, sir.
So anywhere the man dey, go open the door, make she
We
carry her
want call
clothes
him
and
again
luggages.
now. We go call him again.
Because now we don't they take the matter gradually with you now. Don't they form
Leave
the
him
team.
now. He dey form James Bond. Yara do now. You better take this call now.
To copy this tune, press.
Yara do.
Yes.
You don't take the phone call, Abi. Now Nedu they call you from Wazobia FM. All of us today here.
Yes, I was liking them. I was driving them.
Oga, if you don't want to make we put rape case on top of your head, go open that door for make this girl carry her things, and open that other place where you lock. Make she carry her things enter there. I don't want to talk too much story. Yara dua.
We know they call you to explain.
Yara dua. Listen to me. I know they call you to explain anything to me. You dey hear me so now? I know they call you to explain. For the matter, I've been call you before to explain. But the matter of say this girl and her pikin sleep outside yesterday night, he don't kill everything where you want talk.
It's lie.
It's lie. So she.
It's lie.
Oh, okay. Where she sleep? Because nigga wanna. Where she sleep? Yara dua.
Inside
where?
Inside where?
Yes.
Inside where? Okay.
Inside my room.
Inside your room.
Even this morning, she make food this morning and I did work. She lie everything.
Oh, now inside your room, now she sleep.
Yes.
And she make food this morning chop.
I saw the God. I don't do that.
Okay. Now, what of the other place where she want move into where you know where you go lock?
Answer.
That place
Let me pack. Okay.
You go so pack out.
Baba na echo. Now they hear. You know they pack anywhere. You know
I
the.
will call you myself.
You go so pack out the Jones.
I go call you. Wait.
Don't worry.
You know they hear echo as if say inside the holiday.
In their house, in there somewhere.
You see, I beg you see mark for our face. Now, when I see this thing where Yaradua talk, where he say the girl sleep inside room. Now we can't call the girl back. The girl when we dey market, the girl apparently talk say she sleep outside with her pikin till like 3 a.m. in the morning. Mosquito they bite the small pikin when never reach anywhere. Small pikin when they just born. Mosquito they bite them because plus cold. You know, so you don't get anything when the boy want tell me why I want hear. I don't want to hear anything. The fact say that mosquito bite that small pikin. You know, apart from malaria, pneumonia, you know what? It's kind disease where you go give the pikin for body. He say he sleep inside. Now around 3 a.m. this morning, 9 person come neighbors went inside the compound, come outside, come say waiting. Before they come allow them enter inside. Around 3 o'clock this morning. What it remain again? Now you don't have morning be that already now.
And him in the inside they sleep.
And him in the inside they sleep. You sleep peacefully.
Wicked fellow.
So Yaradua, I go call you now. If you like, not pick this call. If you not pick this call, I swear my father, the whole Lagos go hear your number.
You go call. See, I don't know. Time don't reach where. If those I don't read, I will talk one talk.
No, not talk that talk. No, but the truth be say, some of these people where they do anyhow, it go good make we hold them, flog them.
They collect.
Lagos,
Lagos State
put
government
down for your body,
flogging ministry of men that will not get sense for Lagos.
You go better, you go make sense.
Some boys no
and
get
that
sense.
flogging ministry then go televise them on TV.
Yes, as they wipe you.
You go to make sense.
For some people, some people get mental matter. You understand me now?
Yaradua, we they call you now?
Pico, you say one pack, you go pack out.
You think for Simon?
I don't invest already.
Me I not get time.
Nonsense.
Me I not get time. You know, and I don't know what they do the line. The line no come they go again. Call them with your own phone.
Yeah. Oh.
Yaradua, mo see whether I'm block my line. See the number now. Before I begin call your number, it starts with 0706. You can't end with You don't they call me back.
You want love.
I'll put on for your body woto this morning. Yaradua.
Hello, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Now listen to me, sir. With all due respect, Yaradua.
Okay,
with all due respect, you see that place where you lock, make this girl not enter. Go open them. You don't park now, Abi.
Yes, I'm in the office now.
You are in the office now, and
Yes. Can I just explain something, sir?
Yaradua, listen to me. Please listen to me. I beg, listen to me. I for listen to you. Make you I for allow you explain earlier when I never hear some things. But the matter say you allow person and her or begin with the newborn baby to sleep for outside in the cold with mosquito bites. If you swear to God, the thunder go fire you there where you did there. 3 o'clock this morning, then they enter inside the room. 3 o'clock this morning.
Sleep outside. If you can sleep outside the compound, it should not be better for me. But if you sleep inside my room,
Oga, I don't see your time.
Oga, hold on. My brother, we don't see your time.
That's us. That landlord Susan begin the swap.
We don't see swear. We don't see I'm tired, my brother. Calm down. The only thing I go ask you, I want to ask you one question now. Wait, listen to me. Yaradua, Biko. Listen to me. Yaradua, Biko. I don't want vex. I dey vex. Waiting they make me vex. And nothing concern me and the girl and you. I don't care about the both of you. Munafi they do anything they want to do. But you see that small picking where you put for the danger way where you put them this morning, this early morning.
She's lying, sir. She's lying for that one. She's lying.
Okay. When and hold on now, the times where you dey sleep with her, where the picking the day?
The beginning, all of us inside house, and we don't sleep around after 4 a.m.
Now you okay? The time when
they rape her,
where you they rape her, where the picking the day?
Rape, so somebody beat my house rape for like since December to now.
How many times when I don't? Oh yeah, hold on. How many times when I don't sleep with herself?
This is being my place 2 times.
2 times. She not lie. And the first time where you sleep with her, she tell you say she not want. She tell you say she want.
Okay, she's lying. She's lying.
Okay, answer my question.
Answer my question. See, Yaradua, Kogin kana boge. Answer my question. The first time where she want sleep with you, where you want sleep with her rather, she tell you say she not want. She not tell you.
She said you know what, man. Pet
her.
But you pet her. You pet her into bed. You pet her. Now listen to me. Yaradua, listen to me. I don't want to call your number on air. So you see that room where you lock. I beg go open them.
Now.
You there house now?
I'm at office here now already.
Okay. Oh. Yaradua. Listen to me. Oh, this man, I beg you, I just got to beg you, calm down. Listen to me. If I want to listen to me, listen to me. You go listen, to avoid issues that touch the heart. You see that place where you lock, where she go open to stay. I need you to go and open it.
Yes, sir.
Now, I know what. Never wish anything. Never. Can you listen to me? Let me finish first. Then I go tell you to talk. Make I finish. Now, allow me to finish before you talk. You see that place where you go lock where she dey stay? You dey hear me?
We know.
This guy, wait, listen to me now. That place where she open, where she wants stay, where you lock. You dey hear me?
Yeah.
I need you to go and open the place before she come back from work. You go open them, Abi, you not go open them.
I'm hearing you, sir.
You go open them, Abi, you not go open them.
I will open, but at the same time, I think how possible I need to come to the office even as right now.
Baba, don't come our office.
No,
you go open them or you not go open them.
You go open them, Abi, you not go open them.
That will not be problem, sir.
No be problem. You go open them, Abi, you not go open them.
Yes.
Okay. Now, if by evening you never open them, I go come back on air tomorrow morning. I go announce your phone number to the whole world. And now you go tired. We know your house. We know where you stay. I know your village. I know everything what I need to take know about you already. So, not vex me. You don't already vex us by allowing that pikin to sleep outside. You don't already vex us.
She's lying for that one. She's very lying.
I hear you. She's very lying. She's very lying. Yaradua, because
okay, Yaradua, they hear me? Hello.
You dey hear us?
Yaradua. Oh.
Hello.
You dey hear us?
Yaradua. As they do talk, you dey live on air. Open that room down at 1.
What be your name first of all? What be your name?
My name is Andy.
Andy what?
Endurance.
Endurance waiting.
Okay, I cannot mention my name on A. I'm going to your office right now.
Okay, if you come my office, you not come. Okay, they come my office. No, they come.
They come.
They come my office. Should be know where our office is. 267A at Mian Crescent.
Yes.
For
Oh yeah, they come. For
VI.
VI. Why they come? They come. They come. My
They
brother,
say-
they come. Make
they
they
come.
they come. Make they come.
come.
Put on for your
We
body.
know this time.
This morning.
We know that time. If they come on air, one form is a lie.
No, leave him. She as in the whole world now. When I hear say he go open the place. In fact, I know if you want, if a man be say, I know if you want make the guy even sleep there this night. The guy go pack her things, come out. Nedu and Tombo, good morning. It's only God that will reward you for the good work you're doing. That man is wicked. Girls should learn and do something good for their lives. We keep making the same mistake every now and then. She should take your advice and do something good for herself and the child. Informer from Oshodi. And I need to talk this one. He say, that guy they stay for my street for a look page. Very popular. Can't believe he can do this to that girl because I see them at night working together like husband and wife. Thank God say you did the street. Make you look for the guy because the guy if he do anyhow, just the way to go announce and the guy go collect. Mona never
Collect
leave. Woto. Or if he not open that place. This one say I've experienced such thing before because the guy was so sure. Guy was sure I have nowhere to go. Then every little thing he will push me out at night when my things with my things and lock his door. Within 2 months he threw me out, but thank God I left him and I'm living fine. Happiness for my papa. Happiness you say wetin carry you go live with a man wey you not be your husband.
Accommodation.
He dey give testimony. Wetin carry you go live with a man wey not be your own. You see, this accommodation problem, it don't cause a lot of unwanted pregnancy. Accommodation problem don't cause marriage wey not supposed to happen.
What happen?
Not be even marriage. It don't cause a husband and a fake husband and wife. Some of them where they hear me. Your mama no marry your papa. Is it way?
Check him out now. It go shock you.
No, not true. Your mama no marry your papa. Then just say, come and live with me. Oh, I like you. Oh, I don't give you belly. Oh yeah.
Bam, come on. They not come.
This guy talks. That guy. Oh. The same guy would live for the same street. The guy collect 1 million from Lapo. All I need is for him to pay back from Lapo branch manager. He look, he never even pay. He go say, Yaradua, so you dey owe money. Anyway, Yaradua they come. He saying they come studio, make him come. You see, somebody say you guys should allow him talk now. You are putting words in his mouth. Who be this person? Now let me enter you woto. See, we not they put word for him mouth. We now waiting in one talk, now in talk give us. Make you understand something. You will send this message, and every other person where they think what's in this person they think. See, we for listen to this guy talk in on side of the story because we don't also one live and make him talk inside the story. But when we hear say pikin sleep outside, when we confirm am from two different people, now. No need.
No need.
If you get accommodation problem, not put yourself for the position when it be said tomorrow you go say to my mum. Had I know. Not be by force to come Lagos.
At all.
You hear me now? If you come Lagos, you not get where to stay. Do Allah do ennebi. I dey beg all of na goti oniba jo. Go back to your village.